welcome back to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. Thanks so much for hanging out today. I wanted to pop in and do an unboxing of what I've received for my design team kit for Buttons Galore and more. I will have their website down below in the description box for you, as well as links to the products in case you are interested in them as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the buttons. And this, I got the tiny buttons. These are different hues of blue. I don't know if this is, oh, it's just blues. That's the name of it, is blues. And so we have like the navy, royal, and light, like the light baby blue. So very, very cute. Love how tiny they are. And then I also got the tiny white buttons as well. So super, super cute. And then their newest one from 28 Lilac Lane is called Anne's Quilt. Look how pretty that is. So let's go ahead and kind of cut her open really quick. And super pretty colors. It's like an orange almost. It's kind of like an orangey hue. And we have like the greens and, oops, come back. We have like the greens in here, and like, I guess it's like, it's not really pink, but it's, oh man, but it's super pretty. I really like the colors, and like, look at the buttons that they added in here, like to really bring out the colors with those pretty, pretty blues. So that is super cute. Can't wait to find what I can do with that one there. And I got it all over my desk. Alright guys. Alright, and so next we have the pearls. And so we have tie-dye. This is really cute. So it's like the yellow and pink. Kind of veers off into like some orange, and then like the little pearl color itself. So that is super cute. And then we have this one, which is just pearl drop. What? And then on to their sprinklets. This one has to be one of my absolute favorites. Look at it. It's panda. Oh my goodness. And so you have like the little black and white clay, and then you have the little panda faces. Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are. So cute. And then we have like the little black and white candy pieces in there. Oh, this is just too cute. And then we have Summer Melon, and we have these little green flowers in there, little watermelon pieces. That is so fun. That's definitely going to come in handy with all our summer crafts. Then 4th of July and Memorial Day inspired, we have Old Glory. So we have the American flag in here. Let's see, we have red, white, and blue stars. And I want to say that is about it. That's really cute. I really like the American flag. That is so cute, and how like much detail, like getting all the stars in there, like that takes a lot of detail. And lastly, we have Marisol, and these are just like little flowers, and we have like these little brown clay pieces, and this will actually come in very handy with something I'm going to be playing around with very, very soon. And so I can't wait to incorporate that. So that is what I got for this time around, guys. I do hope you enjoy it, and check out the links for yourself. Great prices, great products, and thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.